think it came out super cute. I mean, it's cute. Hey sister friends, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Jay, and this is my channel, J.Westbrook, where I give you all the kinky coily inspiration and a little vanity in pink. If you want to see how I achieve this cute two-strand twisted ponytail, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Okay, y'all, so to get started with this style, as always, we're going to start off with 4 sections. They don't have to be nice and neat. And then you're also going to have this little section tucked away in the middle so that we can play with that later. But for right now, we just need the 4 sections. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the parting. Now, these twists are going to be going up into a ponytail. So you want to make sure that if you're going to have some curvature or whatever you want for your ponytail, now's the time to do that. Now, my scalp, as you'll see, is a little bit dry, so I'm using my favorite, some Blue Magic grease. Yes, I love an old school Blue Magic. Just to grease my scalp. I've tried life without Blue Magic grease and greasing my scalp, and it's just not a life I want to live. Once my scalp is nice and greased, I'm going to begin the process of just cleaning up the parts a little bit more, and then also preparing to flat twist. Now, I found the flat twisting to be a little bit more difficult than my typical styles because I am flat twisting at a very weird angle. So I was really having a hard time trying to adjust my hand placement to get the best possible flat twist so that my grip was tight so that my flat twist didn't loosen up. You'll see me also go in with my favorite edge control. This is EBIN New York 24-hour edge tamer. I just put a little bit of that on the base of the hair piece so that everything is nice and clean. And then I'll just continue to twist.
We have all of the flat twists installed for the front half. As you'll see, I put a little bantu knot at the end. As always, the bantu knot is just there so that it can make sure that my twists are nice and tight and they don't loosen up as I'm working through the rest of the style. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist the back up into a ponytail. I'm gonna try to show y'all what the process looks like for the back. But I really gotta lock in and concentrate on that part. But I'm gonna try to show y'all, at least give y'all like 1 or 2 to give you an example of like my hand placement and how I flat twist going from the bottom up. For the back, I'm not doing no like slanting curvature or nothing like that. I'm gonna just keep it simple, use the kiss method, keep it simple, stupid, because I just need it to be cute and like set and for it to last for like the week. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so we're kind of in a home stretch here. I've got all of my hair twisted up and bantu knotted at the end to keep everything tight. The crown of my head is pretty sensitive, so I want to make sure that when I put this all into a ponytail, this is its own separate thing because I just don't want it to be pulling too tight, trying to kind of like be twisted up with all the other twists going around my head, and it's too much tension. So because I'm just a little tender-headed right there, I just parted this out so I have like an anchor in the middle and it's not too tight, like it's very loose, not too much tension at all. I'm gonna take some hair ties or rubber bands, like the little black rubber bands. Don't know if you can see that, but the little stretchy black rubber bands, I don't know which I'm gonna use, but it's either gonna be a rubber band or a hair tie. And I'm just gonna like take all of this up I'm gonna unravel each of the bantu knots first though, but like individually so I can like grasp it in the ponytail at the same time. You'll see how I do it. And then I'm gonna take some hair to install. It's gonna be some of this hair. It's the Afro Springy twist, whatever type of kinky type textured hair that mirrors like natural hair that you want to use, and we're gonna go from there.
So I really don't know how this happened, but I recorded this part in slow-mo, but essentially I am just unraveling each bantu knot, placing it in the ponytail so I can begin on the next portion, which will be installing the two-strand twist at the end. Now, when it comes to attaching the hair to your hair to make the two-strand twist, you'll just want to do this in the same manner that you would individual two-strand twists, Marley twists, whatever you want to call them. That's the same process that you'll follow. So just make sure that you're splitting the hair, you're getting the size that you want, the length of the hair based on how long you want your twist, and then just start twisting and installing. Put your lock knot at the end, and you are good to go. Now, y'all, I totally had to backtrack here and stop the two-strand twisting so that I can grab some foaming mousse to make sure that I was able to lay down and set these two-strand flat twists before I got finished with the entire style. I just wanted to maximize how long I would have my edges and all that good stuff laid. So I'm just adding some mousse here. Depending on my favorite, I use stockings. Y'all can use scarves or like edge laying apparatuses or whatever the case may be. But I just like to use old stockings that I just cut up because I like the elasticity of it and the thinness. They help mesh everything down and blend it together with my edges. So I'm just going to do that as well. And then I'll finish with the two-strand twist. And I'll show you guys how it looks at the end.
Okay, sister friends, this is the final result, and I must say so myself. I really outdid myself this time. Like, pat on the back, round of applause for your girl, because I mean, this is not a quick style. I took about 3-4 hours to get this all done. Granted, I stopped here and there for some breaks, but because, you know, I am flat twisting the back of my hair up myself, I'm putting in the ponytail myself, trying to get the parting as neat as I can get it. This takes a while, so if you want to try this, just know this is not a quick one too, but I think it came out super cute. I mean, it's cute. I mean, I can like bring it to the front if I kind of want it to look like that. If I want to have it, you know, going all back, it can be all back to look like that. I think I can even like put it in a little bun or something like that if I want to like bun it up. Whatever the case may be, I think that it's super duper 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 cute. I do think it gives like you know, I don't know, 90s or something like that with like the flat twist. I just get like 90s, and then the length that I have it too is like a ponytail, a bob ponytail or something. I don't know, but I think it's real cute. Y'all let me know what you think. If you see any white stuff, that's just edge control. I'm gonna go in with my Olaplex bonding oil and just put some oil on there to get the white stuff to go away. But overall, your girl is pleased. Your girl is pleased. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Charles, my makeup even blended all the way? I don't know. Can't see. Contacts, got my eyes all dry, but my hair cute, so whatever. Judge your mama.